This video is okay. This video is for vouchering. It's specifically for HCK and how to voucher HCK. So as you come into Retail Pro, you log into the software and you click Home. So we're both on the same page. You're going to come up and you're going to click on Purchasing Vouchers. And you will click New because you're going to create a new voucher that's going to go in this list of vouchers. This is a list of vouchers from this month. The other months are here to your left. So you're going to click New. Then you're going to find the last HCK purchase order, and hopefully there's only one purchase order on there. Which there is. You're going to click OK. Highlight it and click OK. And then you want to look at all of the items on the invoice so that you can bring them over to this voucher. And the way you're going to do that is under PO items. Now, previous to this video, I just vouchered an invoice 11421. This delivery comprised of two invoices, and those two invoices came from this purchase order. So as you can see here, these are the PO quantities and these are the document or invoice quantities. Some of the PO quantities are 0. That's because I've already removed them from this purchase order and placed them on the voucher that I just did. And I'll show you that. I'm going to go back. I'm going to hit cancel. We're going to start again. I'll show you where they are. So you can come up here and you can click on the dot and you can do it by date or by vendor. This is by vendor. And HCK is right here in today's date. And this is the one that I just, if you go form view, this is the one that I just vouchered. So all of these items came from this purchase order, which is the same purchase order that you're going to pull the items we're going to work with now to put on the new voucher. Okay? I just wanted to point that out to you. List view, new. First step before we even go there is you're going to put your name. The date, 10/27. The date of the invoice. The invoice number, 11422. And then you're going to go up here and click on this to get all of the list of all your purchase orders. You're going to find your HCK purchase order here, highlight it, and click OK. Now you want to click PO items. And right here under document quantity is the column we're going to work with. We're going to make sure that we have clicked on description 2. For instance, I could click on that, and I can click on this, and it'll sort by description 2. It'll put them in numeric order, which is a very good reference for me, because as I look on the invoice, I can coordinate the two. So first off the bat is article number 1 on the first line. It's 609459-84. So here we're going to go down to 6's, 6095984. That's that one. It should be a necklace because I'm going to look over here and it's going to say N for necklace, P for pendant, E for earring, B for bracelet. This here is the department code, which you'll learn as we go. This FW stands for freshwater, the type of pearl. P stands for pearl, N stands for necklace, E for earring, N for necklace, B for bracelet. So these two, B and B, that's a code to tell you it's a bracelet, it's a necklace. So we're going to come across here and we're going to put in the quantity on the invoice. Quantity 3, and we're going to check the cost. It should be $8. Cost is correct. Check. Quantity is correct. Check. It should be 16 inches. 16 inches, that's correct. There should be an attribute in the invoice that you can find on the purchase order. In this case, it's a 16-inch, confirms that it's the right piece. And then you have the number here. Next, article number 2, 6094559B84. That's this one. Quantity 3. This is 18 inches, and it's a necklace, and it's $9. $9, 18 inches, necklace. Correct. Article 3, 6094559D84. 20 inches. Quantity 1, $10. 20 inches, 1, $10. It's a necklace. Correct. Article 4, 720063-84. Quantity 2. Necklace, 6.5 to 7 millimeters, multicolor bracelet. It says bracelet, I'm sorry, bracelet. So multi, 7 to 8 inches. Bracelet, rice. There's quite a few items that give you a clue that it's the same piece. And then, of course, $11. Quantity 2. Next is Article 5, 620063-84. Quantity 1, 16 inches, multicolor necklace, $18. $18. Correct. Article 6, 620063B84. Quantity 2, 18 inches. Cost 20. Cost is different. Alright, so I want to circle the cost on the invoice so that I can change it on the voucher. And I just want to confirm that this is the right piece. The item number meets their HCK's article number. I'm getting the two. Line item number, I've been calling article. Actually, HCK has a product number. It's under the article column on HCK's invoice. And that one also matches. 18 inches matches, the size of the pearl matches, so obviously this is the right item, it's just the cost that needs to be changed. I've circled the cost to come back on the voucher and change the cost. I cannot change it here on the purchase order. I have to wait to the next step. Line item 72004384. Quantity 2, $11. Bracelet, $11. Black. Black is a color. Peacock is a color. Black and peacock are the same names for black. In the pearl industry, we call peacock, it's a term we give to a black pearl. So that's correct. Cost is correct. Line item 620043-84. 43-84. 16 inches, quantity 1, cost $18. It's a necklace. Necklace, correct. Quantity 1. Line item 620043B84. 18 inches. Quantity 2, $20. Necklace. Okay, that's all correct. Line item 12, 720135584. This is a bracelet. 720135584. Here it is. Quantity 2, $8. Okay, so I'm going to circle the $8 because the cost is different. It's a correct bracelet. Line item 13, 620135B84. $18, black. 18 $12. Peacock, same thing. Quantity 1. Line item 14, 72001484. Quantity 1, $8. Correct. Incorrect. The cost has to be changed to $8. Line item 15, 620014-84. 16-inch white necklace, $11. Correct. 1. Line item 16, 620014B84. Quantity 1. Quantity 2. Necklace, 18 inches, $12. Correct. Line item 17, 721001-84. Seven, 2, 1. That's interesting. Alright, what's interesting here, if you look at it, 7210001-84. It's chocolate, it's a rice, it's a bracelet, it's $8, it's 5.5 millimeters. This is chocolate, it's $8, 7, so the cost has changed. We noticed that on another rice bracelet. It's 7 to 8 inches, that's correct. What's interesting is that the article number, it should be 721001. So there should be a 1 right here. And I will go back and rectify that, and I'll show you how. But that's the item there. Only through investigation would I come to that conclusion. So look at your purchase order, look at your description, look at your size, your attribute, your cost. If you see one number that isn't there in the HCK number and everything matches, it's a typo. And you can go ahead and check it in, and then we can go back and change that typo. So now we've added all of these items to the voucher. So we want to transfer them. We click OK. Now we want to go make sure it's sorting through description 2. And you want to come over here and change your cost. Line item 6 was 620063B84. 6, 3.